Happy Wednesday, y'all. It's Nicole with your Insurance Minute, and this week I'm going to talk about comprehensive coverage on your auto policy. And not a whole lot of people know what comprehensive coverage is, and it is an optional coverage for your auto policy. Basically, what comprehensive coverage is going to cover is if you hit an animal. Your glass coverage is included on this, as well as fire, theft, vandalism, and even falling rocks from like the side of a mountain if you're on a road. So that's what comprehensive coverage is going to cover you for. And oftentimes, if you're trying to figure out if you really need it, just ask yourself, could you pay for any major repairs that the vehicle would need? Or would you be able to replace the vehicle for its full value? If your answer is no, then I would highly suggest talking to your agent and seeing about adding comprehensive coverage. And they have varying levels of deductibles as well. So you could have like $250, $500, $1,000. All of that's going to play a part into your total annual premium. So that's what I've got for you this week. Hope everyone's staying cool, and I'll see you guys next time.